guys! It's me, Jello, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Sa vlog na to, share ko sa inyo yung raw video kung paano yung car wash dito sa Denmark. And since first time, maririnig nyo kung gaano ako ka-excited sa mga makikita ko. Ay, nanak. Ganyan-ganyan ka ba? Oh, sige. Disclaimer, ang video na to ay para lamang sa mga first timer ng mga ganitong klaseng car wash. So, dito sa Denmark, usually, halos lahat ng transaction is cashless na. So, 59 kroner yung pa-car wash dito sa lugar na to, equivalent sa 530 pesos sa atin. Ito baby. Nakain. Ito anak ko. Oh. Nag-crying? Wow, puro cry mo yung marinig dito, anak ha. Nandar na agad? Okay, start na. Tagadagadang. Anak ko. First time. Tagadagadang. Ah, hindi ka pala alis. Hindi ito matatakot si Malte. Wow, party, party. Stop. Ayan anak, shower na. Wash mo. Wee! Party, party! Shower! Wash oh. Wow! Anak! Look in front, baby, oh. What's that? Wow! It's raining! Wow! Party, party! It's raining, baby. Oh. Wow! It's raining. It's raining. Wow! Ooh. Galing. First time. Finish na. Parang ka naka parang nagbagyo ng signal number 5. Wow! What's that, baby? Wow! Grabe, parang signal number 5. Finish na. Finish na. Ambon na lang guys. Ba? Kasunod ba? May thunderstorm? Wow! What's that? Wow! Wow! Parang nasa signal number 5. Oh! Martijan, what's that? What's that, anak? Galing oh. Pusa siyang gumaandar. Takot. Galing oh. Spin, 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 spin. Spin. Wow! Shiki, 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 shiki. Shuko, shuko, shuk, shuk. Oh, meron ulit? Wow! Ate Jen, look in front oh. Daddy. Ayan, oh. Wow! What's that? Wow! Wow! Ano yung banlaw na? Grabe yung sound effect. Wow! What's that sound? Wow! Wow! Amazing! Finish na. Huh? Finish na ata. Huh? Wow! Anlaw ulit. Huh? What's that, baby? And color blue light naman. Color blue light, color blue light, color blue light, color blue light. Ah, baby ah. Color blue na. Color blue na yung light. You're so brave naman, baby. You're not afraid. Wow! Oh, baby, oh. Color blue light. Wow! Okay, what's this? Dryer. Wow! Marijit, what's that, oh? Look in front of you, you know? Wow! What's that, baby, oh? Galing naman automation ito. Galing. Galing. Lahat na ng sounds maririnig mo parang nasa aeroplano. Wow! What's that? What's that, baby? What's that sound? Wow! What's that sound? Oh, baby, oh. Ang tapang mo naman, Daddy.
What's that?
Kung tatanungin nyo kung sulit ba yung car wash, for experience, oo. Pero sa quality na linis, hindi. Wow! And there's the light. So, guys, ganito naman magpagas dito. So, ayun yung price. Hindi ko alam kung anong gasolina ng asawa ko dito. Amazing, di ba? Ayan, self-service. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Open, shut. Open, shut. Daddy will put some gas. Ayan na. Dito puro puro card eh. Ano sila cashless. Are you crying? Diesel pala to. Yung gasolin mo yun. Nagka-curve yung gasolin mo yun. Ang galing. Ayan. Kaya naman pala na sariling gas eh. Wow, what's that, baby? Huh? What's that? Huh? Sa magkano? 30 kroner. Ang galing. Amazing. Tapos na yung daddy? Paano pag hindi mo alam kung magkano ilalagay mo?
Hindi siya na yun. Ayun o, 400. Ano
400?
ang tagas nito?
490?
Oo.
Ang binayad mo?
Ayun na.
Akala ko 30 kroner lang. Liters pala yun.
Hindi, liters.
Grabe. Ang mahal.
Lakas sa gas nito.
Diesel pala.
Lakas sa gas nito. Yung maliit. Nakailang balik lang sa ano pa, di ba?
Oo.
Kano lang pinagas ko. Malakas sa gas to.
Lakas pala sa gasto.
Malakas pala sa diesel.
490 pala. Akala ko ang binayaran lang ng asawa ko 30. Yung pala 490 kron. Oh. Multiply nyo na lang sa 9 yun kung magkano gasolina. Bye! Bye! Mainip ng bus natin oh. 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 Uso-uso ka pa.